Kashif, sorry, I heard you from afar.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm all good. I followed the video and I had my uploaded the users to my Intune.
Okay, you are on the same page.
All right, thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, what we are planning to do, we are going to assign license to our employees. In the last session, we created our employees user accounts. Okay, now let's see how many employees accounts are created. So when you go to Entra portal, in Entra portal, you have to go to user and then all users, you will see your user accounts. Okay, so you have created
Yeah, I
only
just, yeah, just
two user accounts. Okay,
I manually
that's okay.
created. I do not have Excel, so yeah.
Excel file was shared with you already on
Yeah,
the.
yeah, no, but I do not have Microsoft Excel. It somehow the license is deactivated, so I couldn't run my system.
Oh, Excel application is not installed in your computer.
No, yeah, I do not have license for that. So
Okay, fine. That's okay. So you have created the accounts manually. Now in today's session, what we are going to do, we have to assign license to these employees. But before we do that, we will also need extra license. Okay, so take Microsoft, Microsoft Entra, take Microsoft Entra. Instead of taking Microsoft Entra, let's take one more license, which will help us to do automatic enrollment. Right now, automatic enrollment is not enabled. Okay, 1 minute. Let's do one thing. Assign Intune license to employees. Okay, so how will you assign license to your employees, right? So you have 3 accounts here. Okay, so you can assign license from this portal, or the best way is to assign license from admin portal, admin.microsoft.com. So we will go to admin portal, and in admin we have user at the left hand side, active users. Okay, there are 3 users right now, and only one of them has license. Okay, only one of them has Intune license. Now Kim and Mary, they do not have Intune license or any license. They are unlicensed. Okay, so what we will do, we will assign license to these users. Okay, so we will check the boxes, Kim and Mary, and then 3 dots on the top, and then manage product licenses. And then we will choose, either you choose assign more or replace, anything of your choice. I'm going to go with assign more and Intune, and then save changes. Done. Now Intune license is assigned. You just have to refresh the page. Let me refresh on the top. You see, Intune license is assigned to Kim, Matt's, Intune, and Mary. All 3 of them have Intune license right now. Now, without Intune license, devices cannot be enrolled. If you don't give Intune license, they will not be able to enroll their devices. Okay. So point number 2, assign Intune license to employees, that we have done. Now log in to device to enroll it into Intune. Now we will log into the device and will do the enrollment of that device. But that enrollment will be manual. That will be the manual process. Okay. Why? Because we have not enabled the automatic enrollment. I'll show you the automatic enrollment later on. First, see the manual process. So this one is manual process. So log into device to the device to enroll it into Intune manual process. So we have to power on the device. Which device? The one which we have WINVM. Okay, so you have given 004. WINVM 004 or WIN 001, whatever the name you have, you need to power on that machine. Start. On the top, you have start option. You need to click on start. Okay. Device file open driver probably stuck. Device did not turn up. Okay. Failed. Normal start. Okay. It's not powering on due to some reason. So what I will do, that's the reason we have taken a snapshot. In case something goes wrong, we can come back to that stage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this blank machine and then choose this restore option and uncheck this box and then choose restore so that it will go back to the previous snapshot. Okay, now we will power on the machine. Let's see what happens. The person, okay. Can you give me control, please? Madhvi, again.
It's okay. Yeah, here.
You need to open
Um,
Teams. Open
yeah, my
Teams.
Teams is here. Here. I don't see any prompt here.
Close. No, you need to close the notification. Recording has started. Notification. Close that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Give control. Okay. Minimize it. Now
Yeah.
click on start. Click on start. NT create file device VBox failed. Status object name not found.
It imaged successfully. It was prompting for my login ID and then I shut it off.
Okay.
Yeah, I can fix this, and if anyone else can, you want to remote in, but yeah, it saves your time.
Click on OK.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have stop option, right? Same problem. Okay, so I think there is some problem with this machine.
ISO file said corrupted, sir.
ISO file corrupted.
So maybe initially, like
I'll try to remove the VM and try to run it again, try to create another VM.
Force unmount. Oh, you can't do anything because the machine is in saved state. Okay, fine. No worries. I'll ask somebody else to share your screen.
Yeah, meanwhile, I'll try to Google
Kashyap,
and
shall I
then
share my
practice.
screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Hi Kashif, Zamir here. I'm also
Yes,
facing the similar problem.
problem.
Virtual machine, yeah, not able to start that one.
Okay. The machine got built successfully that day.
No, the final when it comes to final, right? You said that the inside click the mouse and you start that that time from there it's not working. Everything I have completed like 95% I have completed, but the final go inside the mouse and touch. From there, it's showing something.
Okay,
Even yeah, even I
fine.
put it
I
in the
will
WhatsApp.
take a look. I'll take a
Mine
look.
was completed successfully, Kashif, and it was prompting for login ID, and then I powered it off.
Okay, I'll take a look. Okay, later on.
Yeah, you have a control, Kashyap?
Yes. Okay, so let's power on that machine. I think you have already powered on.
Yeah.
Can you open this machine, the virtual machine? Yeah. Okay. Have you given license?
Not yet.
Huh?
No, I did not.
Okay. So let's go to the admin portal. Hmm. Okay, so you have purchased the new port ln.online. That's
Yeah.
your domain name. Now, how will you assign license to them? You need to check the boxes and then click on Manage Product Licenses, Assign More, and then choose Intune license and save changes. Okay, so we have assigned license to these users. Okay, it's not mandatory to assign license to everyone, but we have given license to all the people, right? Now, let's go ahead and log in here. So type in email address of any one of the users. Okay, type in.
Type in, right?
Yeah. You can't copy, you have to manually type in there.
No, right.
Mhm. Next. Enter password of that account. Now, suppose this is a new laptop and this user Akbar is entering his email address and password for the first time. So he has received this laptop You don't know the password of that account?
Mm.
Hmm?
I did not take a proper note.
Guys, make a note of your password always. Enter the password again, same password again. Password is incorrect. Wait a minute. You need to go back to the Edge browser.
Mhm.
Now click on Akbar, the account. Yeah, click on that and then choose, I mean, you need to check the box and choose reset password. Close this. Reset password. Uncheck these boxes. Uncheck the below one as well. Type in the password of your choice. In case if user is not able to log in, you can reset his password from this location.
Is there something?
Close it, not now. Okay, close it. Now let's go back to the machine and log in.
I think it will take some time to sync, sir.
Can you power off this machine? Power off. Right click. Stop and power off. Power off. Okay, wait, give me control. Close this. Close it.
This one?
Yes, Oracle VirtualBox. Close it. Close it, not minimize. Close it. Okay, wait a minute. Let me take control. Now I can access. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the blank machine snapshot, restore, and then power on the machine. Okay, so the email address is
On the clip?
first it's Akbar at the new port ln.online. Okay. So AKBER at the online. Next. Enter password of that account. Wait a minute. Looks like you are not entering the password correctly. Okay.
Mhm.
Let's go to the Edge browser again. Wait, let me reset the password. Okay. 1 minute. What password are you choosing? You're choosing the new port ln at 123. Okay. That's the password you are using.
I'm
Okay,
putting the same one.
1 minute. You have successfully reset this password. Reset admin using column support restored. Okay, close it. Let's go back. And here, type in the password again, and then click on the eye icon. And click on the eye icon at the right hand side.
Okay, unlock machine. This card.
Click on next.
It's unlocked here. Oh,
Okay, so you have entered the password. So this is the first time you are logging in with this account. Let's click on accept. Okay, now minimize this machine. So this machine will get registered in Entra portal. Let's go to the Entra portal. Now in Entra portal, if you go to Akbar, right? This is the user account which we are using. And then when we go to sign in logs, you see multiple times failure, right? Because you tried wrong password multiple times. That's the reason it is showing you. And from where you have tried from Texas. That's the location. And this is the public IP address of your device from where you were trying it. Okay, so that gives you the information that whether you are typing the password correctly or incorrectly. So you can monitor if you are helping user and user is not able to log in, you can check whether user is typing the password correctly or incorrect. That's the authentication. Second one, the device. The device you will be able to see the device here in Entra portal. You see, this is the device which you have logged into using Akbar account. So in Entra portal, everything will get registered. Your device will get registered, your user sign-in logs will get registered. So this is for your information. Basically, you don't have to do anything, but in case if you are troubleshooting, then you can monitor it from here. Now, this is join type as Microsoft Entra joined. Microsoft Entra joined is like domain join. You know, we have domain. Previously, we used to have domain join in on-premises Active Directory. So we all the corporate devices will always be domain joined. Similarly, all your corporate devices will be Microsoft Entra joined. We have Microsoft Entra register as well. So all the mobile devices will come in Microsoft Entra registered, like Android devices or iPhone or iPad. Those devices will come in. The joint type will be Microsoft Entra registered, and all the personal devices, all the Windows personal devices will always be Microsoft Entra registered. But all your corporate devices will always be Microsoft Entra joined. Okay, so you see MDM is none. That means mobile device management is not enabled on that device. The management is not happening. The device is not being managed by any mobile device management. So which is mobile device management? Intune. Intune will be managing the device, but the enrollment has to happen first. So the device is not enrolled yet because we have not enabled the automatic enrollment. So the enrollment is manual method right now. So let's log in, go back to the device. Okay, let's click on OK. Click on OK. It is asking you to the authentication required. I mean, action required. Your organization requires additional security information. So you need to click on next. and you will need to download Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile. So everyone download this application on your mobile, on your Android or iPhone. You have to download Microsoft Authenticator. Hussein,
You already
download this
done.
application.
I have already
You
done
have
that.
already downloaded. Okay. So if you have already downloaded the application, that's okay. Otherwise, you go to Play Store or App Store and you download it. This is for multi-factor authentication, guys. Now let's go next. And next. Now on your Authenticator application on your mobile, you need to open that one on your mobile, and then on the top you have a plus sign. Click on the plus sign and then choose work account or personal, anything of your choice. Go with work account, and then you have a scan QR code. So scan this QR code from mobile.
Done.
Done. Once it is scanned, you need to scroll down here and then go next. Now enter 61 on your mobile. 61, whatever the number comes, you need to enter that number on your mobile for multi-factor authentication. Next. Done. Now you need to set a pin, 4-digit. I think 4-digit pin is not allowed. You need to enter 6-digit pin minimum. 6-digit pin. Any number, last 6-digit of your phone number, anything of your choice, or first 6-digit of your phone number, you can try. Anything of your choice.
Mhm.
Click OK. Click OK and make a note of this pin somewhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Now close this. Click on OK. Close this Edge browser. Close at the right hand side top. You have close option.
Done.
Yeah, close it. Right top, you have close option. Yeah. Okay, so this user Akbar has logged into this device for the first time. This new device given to Akbar, and he has logged into this device for the first time. This device is a corporate device, and it is joined in Microsoft Entra ID already. But this device is not yet enrolled into Intune, so we cannot manage this device. We cannot manage this device until it is enrolled into this Intune portal. So in order to enroll, there are two methods. Either you do manual enrollment or you do automatic enrollment. So automatic enrollment is not yet enabled. We'll go with the manual enrollment first. Okay. So in order to go to the manual enrollment, you need to. So you will see how to enroll the device manually. That first we will see, but generally we don't do that in production environment. We always do automatic enrollment. So let's see how we do the manual enrollment. So let's click on start.
Yeah.
Setting. And then you have accounts below. Scroll
First one.
down, you will find account there. Scroll down. Uh, Delete that from the search box. Delete everything, make it blank. Go back, click on back. Yeah. And then choose access work or school. Access work school. You see, what does it say? Connected to CVS Azure AD. Click on that. So right now we have what option? Disconnect option, right? But we don't have um, information about it. So we need to do what? We need to click on um, maximize this screen, full screen. Okay, so we haven't done the enrollment of this device yet. So that's the reason this device is not there in Intune portal. Can you go to Intune portal and take a look? Intune portal. Devices at the left hand side. All devices. You see, we don't have any device here. So we can't manage that device. Okay, that device is only a part of Microsoft Entra portal, but that device does not come on here. So we have to enroll that device manually. So let's go back to the device again. No, the virtual machine. Let's go back to the virtual machine, log in there. Now scroll up. Let's click on connect. Now enter Akbar's email address here. Next. Enter the password of that account. Click on the eye icon. You are entering wrong password again. Yes. Click on got it. Okay, now you have two options here, connected to CVS MDM, and the below one is the Azure AD, right? Now let's click on the MDM one. Then you see info, right? Click on info. So this device is now enrolled into Intune. As you see, connection information management server. So this is basically going to take the policy from this management server. https://r.manage.microsoft.com. Okay, and when was the last time it got synchronized with Intune? Scroll down.
Hi, sir. Sorry to cut you. The screen is very tiny, sir. It's very small. You're not able to see.
Yeah, screen is tiny because we haven't installed any driver
Oh,
on this machine. But that's okay. This is the manual enrollment. Generally we don't do that. So when we do the automatic enrollment, we will install the driver and then we will increase the screen size. Okay.
sure, sir. Thank you.
I see. How did you get to that screen again? You are going to settings somewhere.
Start, then settings. Can you close this, Hussein? Yeah, close this.
Or just
Click on.
search for access work or something from start menu. I think that will pull it up, right?
Yeah. Can you go back to virtual machine? Click on view on the top.
Yeah.
On the virtual machine, yeah.
Mhm.
Now click on the view on the top and choose a scaled mode. Let's see if that works. Switch. Maximize. Yeah. Okay. At the right hand side, you can close that notification bar. Okay, now let's click on start. Setting. You see guys how we are going to that location. Start, setting, and then accounts. And then access, work or school. At the left hand side, access, work, school. And then click on the first one which says connected to CVS MDM info. Okay. Now you will be able to see this device in Intune portal now. Let's go back to the Intune portal and take a look whether this device is showing up there or not in Edge browser. Refresh this page. You see, we have enrolled that device and it is coming as personal device. Why it is coming as personal device? Because we manually enrolled this device. Okay. So we can change this device ownership from personal to corporate later on. So you understood the process, guys, how to manually enroll the device? Everyone?
Yeah, Kashif, I have a question. So it's showing as personal because it's been
Can't hear
done
you.
manually, right?
It's been done
Because
manually.
this is a
Yeah.
it will show the same even if you do it manually for an iPad or any device like any other device also. Same thing.
Um, that I will show you later on how
Okay.
that is done, the iPhone and iPad. Okay. Now let's focus on Windows first. Okay. So this method,
Question for you. Is this allowed in the production environment, like a regular user can enroll?
no, we
No.
don't want user to enroll their devices manually. We don't do
Okay.
that. Okay.
Okay.
It is the administrator's job who will enroll their devices, not the user. Okay.
Okay.
But I wanted to show you the manual method, how you can enroll the device manually. Okay. Clear?
Okay. Okay. Thank
Let's
you.
unenroll the device. How will you unenroll the device? There are two methods. Either you unenroll the device from Intune portal, or you can manually unenroll the device from the device itself. So we will see how we can unenroll the device from Intune portal. Let's click on that device.
So it was saying as compliant, right, Kashif? Like
Compliant.
any
Compliant.
factors that determine the compliancy there?
Right now we have not enabled any compliance policy, but later on we
Okay.
will do the compliance policy. It's the default feature. So when we enable that one, then it will check the device whether it is compliant or non-compliant.
Okay.
Okay. Now, in order to
Kasif, when we select Intune license, right? That means that EMS license is carried with that.
EMS,
Yeah.
no, Intune, that's a separate standard license we have assigned.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's click on retire. Retire means unenroll the device.
Retire.
Yes, retire. So suppose somebody has left the organization. Yeah, click on yes. So we can unenroll their devices like this. Okay, let's say he was using a personal BYOD kind of device. So when he left, we can retire his device once he is left. Let's go back to the machine again, the virtual machine. Now, in order to unenroll the device manually from computer itself, you can click on start again, setting, and then accounts, access work school account. You see MDM is gone already. This device is no more enrolled in Intune. Understood, guys, everyone?
Yeah, Kasif, got it.
Now we will see, this is very rare kind of scenario, the manual method. We generally don't do this manual process. We always do the automatic enrollment method. Okay, so let's disconnect this device. Let's power off this device. Okay, shut down. Okay, so this device will go away from Intune portal as well. Okay, what does it say? It says not found. The device is already deleted from here. Let's delete the device from Entra portal as well. Let's go to the Entra portal and delete the device from there as well. Check the box and delete. Okay, so this device is deleted. Now we will see how to enroll the device automatically. So in order to enroll the device automatically, we need to take another license. Because right now the license what we have, the Intune license, that does not support the automatic enrollment. Okay, so in order to do automatic enrollment, we will have to go to admin portal. Now in admin portal, we'll go to marketplace. Okay, and in marketplace, we need to take Microsoft Entra. Let me go to the all products, and here we will take Entra, ENTRA, Entra premium license basically. So when you search Entra here, you will be able to see Microsoft Entra ID P2. We need the P2 one, this one, but we need the free trial one. Okay, let's search the free trial. Let me click on see all security and identity. Yeah, there you go. This is the one, Microsoft Entra ID P2 managed trial. Basically, we need this license for automatic enrollment. Okay, so I'm gonna click on details and start free trial. So it is gonna give you 100 free trial license for 30 days. And then you need to click on try now.
Continue.
Yes, continue.
And this license will get expire after 1 month, right, sir?
Yes. Okay, let's verify whether we have taken the license properly or not. We'll go to billing and your products. You see, we have got 100 license. Okay. Now we need to assign this license to the users for automatic enrollment. Okay. This is gonna get expired on 20th of November. So let's assign this license to the users. So user, active user. So either you assign license only to a couple of users or all of them. I'm gonna check all of them and manage product license, assign more, and this one, Microsoft Entra IDP2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the license is assigned. So all of them have 2 licenses now, Intune license and Microsoft Entra ID P2 license.
License to you. That license will just
Okay, guys, now we have completed till point number 6. Assign intra license to users. Now we need to enable automatic enrollment. That is not yet enabled. So that in order to enable automatic enrollment, we needed to have the license. So we have already taken the license. Now let's enable this one. So in order to enable, let's go to the Intune portal. So in Intune portal, we will go to the devices, and inside that devices, we will go to Windows, and inside Windows, we have enrollment. Okay. And we have automatic enrollment. This automatic enrollment is not yet enabled right now. Let's click on automatic enrollment. Okay, so what does it say? Right now, none. No device will get auto enrolled. Okay. We need to either choose some, only some of the devices will get enrolled into Intune automatically, or all the devices. So depends on you. Either you go with all or some. So I'm going to go with all. So all the devices will get auto enrolled into Intune. Clear? Everyone?
Yep.
And then we'll choose save. Okay. So all our devices will get enrolled in Intune automatically. So let's go back to the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, and we will go back to the previous snapshot. So we'll go to blank machine again, restore, uncheck this box and restore. So we are on previous snapshot right now. Let's click on start. Click on switch. Okay, so suppose Akbar has received this new laptop. Akbar is an employee, right? He has received a new laptop and he is going to log in to this laptop for the first time. So let's log in with Akbar's account.
Kashif, it's all based on the user ID here, right? Because it's not on the device information that the autopilot is working here, right?
Autopilot we have not discussed. This is not autopilot.
Not autopilot, like enrollment,
Auto
sorry, device
enrollment.
enrollment.
Yes.
Yeah, auto
Yes.
enrollment. Okay.
Yes, on the user. Yes.
Sorry, wrong. I meant to say auto
Yeah.
enrollment.
So auto enrollment we do on the user profile, because assignment, license assignment, we do it on user, not on device.
Okay.
So in the backend,
Akbar,
it is gonna check. It's in the backend, it's gonna check whether Akbar has license or not. So first the device will get joined to Azure AD. Then it will check whether the device has Intune license or not. And then third, it will check auto enrollment is enabled or not. So if all three criterias are matching, then it will do auto enrollment. Okay.
yeah, got it.
Now let's go to the Entra portal. Refresh. You see the device came again. This is the new entry, not the old one. Old one you have already deleted. Okay, that's the name of the device. And Akbar. MDM is none, but this will automatically change to Microsoft Intune. Right now it is none, but it will change to Intune automatically. So
So
we'll
Kashyap,
have
with
to wait for
auto
some time.
enrollment, there is no password and PIN and the
It will
multi-factor
ask. It will
ask.
ask. You see, it will
Okay.
ask. See, click on OK. You need to enter 40 on your mobile since you have already added this. That's the reason it is directly giving you that prompt on your mobile. Enter 40. Okay. Same pin you can enter here. You're not able to reset the pin sometimes. Okay, skip for now. Close it. Yes. Close this. Yeah. Okay, so this device is now logged in. So in order to see whether this device is enrolled or not, let's go to setting. Yeah, setting, accounts. Access Work School. Yeah, click on that. The below one. Okay, so
Connect.
this device is still not enrolled. Okay, we'll have to wait for some more time. Open command prompt CMD. CMD and type in a command called dsreg cmd reg cmd space status slash status, sorry, slash status. Enter. This command is to check whether the device is enrolled into Intune or not. Okay, let's go up, scroll up. Okay, so Azure joined, yes. It's not a hybrid device joined. It's not a hybrid join. Otherwise, the domain join would be yes. Okay. Now scroll down. You have device ID, thumbprint, the certificate. It has received the certificate. Okay. It's gonna get expired in 2034. Okay. Scroll down a little bit. Now the tenant details. This is the main thing. The tenant one. Tenant ID, right? So authentication code and everything. The main thing here is the in MDM URL. You see the MDM URL.
Yep.
Up. No, that's not MDM URL. Up. Just above that one, the one which you have highlighted.
Okay.
Yeah. MDM URL means from where it is gonna get the policies, the management policy. So it is gonna get the policy from Intune. This is your Intune management server URL. So this device is enrolled into Intune. Scroll down. Scroll down. Wait. Scroll up a little bit. Okay, so it's giving you the account details. Who is logged in? Executing account name is Azure AD/Akbar Sharif, and that's the email address Akbar at the Newport ln.online. Okay, now let's see whether this device is coming in Microsoft Intune or not. Go back to devices. Right now it is still 0, right? We don't have any devices. Go to Entra portal. Entra. Refresh here. Refresh the whole website. On the top left, you have reload option. Top left. Up,
Mhm.
up, up. That one. Okay. You'll have to wait for some time for the device to come as Microsoft Intune here. Okay. So you guys understood the process of manual and automatic enrollment?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll stop right here. So go back to the snapshot and enroll the device automatically. So we'll stop right here. Hussein, you need to copy this and send it to everyone on WhatsApp group. Okay.
Sure.
Any question before we wrap it up?
Ashif, I was trying to, remove it and then reinstalled it. But I have the same. I just want to know where you click when launching the. I know you helped me last time, right? I'm having the same trouble again. Can I
Share your
share my
screen.
screen?
Yeah, share your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing it. I'm trying to start this, right? Like here.
Start.
Here?
No, you don't have to click on that one. A new window will come. Okay. Now, the moment it will say press any key, now you have to click inside and click inside and click
Yeah.
inside and press any key.
I need to press a key, but I just did doing a mouse click.
Yeah, you have to use the mouse. You see, you have to do two things. First, you have to click the mouse inside the black window and then press any key on the keyboard.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Restart. Start again. 1 minute. It will come. A new window will come.
Sure.
Now press the key and press the mouse and any key. Yeah, I think
Okay.
you did it.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Oh, it is.
I actually
Okay.
Googled and the blog said like you need to uninstall and reinstall it back. So I did reinstall it. Now I'm going to run the image again. Yeah.
Okay, so once the machine is built, you take the snapshot and then you power off that machine.
Yeah, that is a mistake. I think the day 2 days ago when I did this, I did not power it off.
No,
Maybe
power
I
off.
did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the mistake. Yeah, I'll do that
Yeah.
this today. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Zamir, you there? Oh, he already left. Okay, fine. Any question from anyone?
Aship,
Okay, guys.
how do we sync this like the machine, like with the SCCM we do that machine policy to
That
speed
will
up the
come.
process?
That will come.
Okay,
We will do
okay,
that. We will do that. Okay.
okay.
Thank you. We'll meet
Thank you.
tomorrow. Bye now.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.